welcome to my channel Learn English. So friends, in this video we are going to revise the unit 2 of English, that is turning trash into treasure, and the name of the chapter is creative views. So without any wastage of time, let us start with the chapter. Next is step 4. Completely cover the paper with sticky tape. The papier mâché then will not stick to it very well and you might be able to remove the foam when its skin is dry. सो इसके बाद हमें स्टिकी टेप जो है उससे कवर कर देना है मास्क को और फिर हम उसके ऊपर लगाएंगे पेपर मैशे पेस्ट. ओके, सो यू कैन सी हियर द स्टिकी टेप हैज बीन अप्लाइड. नेक्स्ट स्टेप 5. Once the organton face shape is ready, prepare the paper mache paste by mixing about 1 part of water with 2 parts of glue. So I told you that paper mache is made by mixing water and glue. It is the mixture of water and glue. Okay, so now we have to make the paper mache paste. Okay, then the newspaper is torn into strips about 1 to 2 inches wide. Dip one piece of newspaper at a time into the paper mache. Paste to saturate it. Do not wet the paper too much. Stick the newspaper strip over the organton face shape and smoothen it down with your fingers. Okay, after that you have to make strips from the newspaper and you have to just उसके बाद आपको न्यूज़पेपर की जो स्ट्रिप है वो पेपर मैशे जो हमारा पेस्ट है हमने बनाया था उसके अंदर डिप करके फिर उसे मास्क पर अप्लाई कर देना है. और हमें ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करना है न्यूज़पेपर को, ज़्यादा देर हमें पेपर मैशे में नहीं रखना है वरना वो बिल्कुल गीला हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इस तरीके से हमें पूरे मास्क को कवर कर देना है न्यूज़पेपर और पेपर मैशे से. ओके, then completely cover the shape with the layer of saturated newspaper strips. They should all be overlapping and running in different directions. So I hope no need to discuss this because this is so simple. Okay, next is after one layer is applied, you have to let it dry completely so that it does not lose its shape. This can take up to 24 hours. Once the first layer is dry, apply the second layer of newspaper strips and let it dry completely. So after one layer of newspaper आपके बन जाए, उसके फेस के ऊपर पूरा अप्लाई हो जाए पेपर मैशे और न्यूज़पेपर, उसके बाद में आपको उसे सूखने देना है. 24 आवर्स मीन्स 1 डे के लिए उसे आपको सूखने देना है और उसके बाद आपको उसकी सेकेंड लेयर भी बनानी है अगेन न्यूज़पेपर स्ट्रिप्स और पेपर मैशे से. सो इस तरीके से हमारा फिर स्टेप 5 में इस तरीके का बन जाएगा. द प्रोसेस इज रिपीटेड until you get the desired look, but you should have at least 3 layers of newspaper strips. Again, you must let each layer dry completely. Add one last layer of paper using brown paper. So we have to continue this process 3 times like newspaper strips and paper mache. So means 3 days we need to make this because we have to dry it completely for 1 day. Okay, so and in the last you have to add brown paper. Okay, you can see here step 5 picture, it is completed. Okay, now next is step 6. Let your mask dry completely and then turn it over. You can now carefully remove the paper and the mask was built on. If you are lucky, you could get it. Next page, you could get out one piece and use it again for another mask. Cut holes for the eyes if required. So after that, after removing the newspaper and paper mache, you will get the proper shape of the organton. Okay, now if you require to cut holes for the eyes, so you can cut the holes. Okay, next is step 7. You are now ready to finish your mask. Smoothen the paper mache mask with sandpaper if needed, then paint the face of the organton. When the paint is dry, a coat of varnish will protect the finish. So after that you have to make the eyes and then you have to smooth the papier mâché paste newspaper with the sandpaper, and then you can color it with the paint. Okay, so that was the step 7, and you can see in the step 7 it is already done, means most of the process is done. Next is step 8. The only thing left to do is to add the Argenton's wild orange hair. To attach the hair, carefully drill holes around the top edge of the mask. Insert the wool 3 or 4 strands at a time. Once the hair is all in place, use a bit of glue on the wool to keep the loose strands from moving. So in step 8, what you have to do, you have to make the hair of the lantern. So for making the hair, you should need a thread, a yarn of orange color, or you can take any color of wool. Okay, you have to take wool. Okay, then you can make the hair of that or lantern. Okay, so you can see in the step 8 the hair are attached to it. Now in the step 9, nothing is there, the papier mâché mask is completed, and now you can use it for the home decoration, wall hanging, and any other activity. Okay, so friends, this was our chapter. So we have completed this chapter. Now the book exercise of this chapter is, so let us start with the book exercise. So a question is, choose the correct options to complete these sentences. Okay, so we have to choose the correct option and write in the space that is given to you in the sentences. So first is, when we say that the earth has finite resources, we mean that its resources are, so the answer of first question is limited. So here we are get to know that the earth's resources are only limited, means they are exhaustible, वो खत्म हो सकते हैं. Okay, next is, when we swap things with someone, we dash them. So answer is exchange. When we swap things with someone, we exchange them. Okay, next is, a dash is the part that combines with other parts to form something bigger. So answer is component. Yes, answer is component. A component is a part that combines with the other parts to form something bigger. Fourth is, the idea that goods and services should be produced in ways that do not use resources, that cannot be replaced, and that do not damage the environment is known as sustainability. We read in the chapter, the answer is sustainability. Next is, when we use something in its conventional way, we mean that we use it. Yes, answer is ordinarily. Answer is ordinarily. Next, last one is, when we dash something, we tear it into thin strips. So the answer is when we shred. Okay, so this was the book exercise of this chapter, and friends, we have completed with the whole of this chapter. And friends, if you have any doubt, so please comment in the comment section. And friends, I hope this chapter is very clear to you, and thank you for watching. And friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.